A judge is going to decide who gets custody of your children. How does that person make such an important decision in your life? Let's talk about that. Hi. So the idea is another person, a judge, is going to make the monumentous decision as far as who gets custody of your children. Where will they stay? Who will have say over their important decisions and so forth. The most important thing a judge considers is what is in the best interest of your child or children. That's the guiding principle behind all custody decisions in Massachusetts. So when the judge is considering what's in the best interest of your children, he or she is going to consider things such as, where is there a safe environment for your children? Are your children safe in both homes, or is one home safer than the other? Are your children's basic needs being met at one home rather than the other? So they'll consider, are your children being clothed sufficiently? Is there enough food in the house? Is the house clean? Is the house safe? Is there anybody else in the house that would cause a threat to your children? What kind of bond does each parent have with the child? Going along with that idea is, who has provided the child care up to this point? So if you have children in your marriage, someone may be the primary caregiver. That person is going to be given a lot of deference as far as when the judge makes the decision who to place custody with. So if somebody's been bringing up the children primarily, that person is more likely to get custody of your children as well. But not always, because there could be things such as a history of violence, a history of substance abuse, of mental illness by one party or the other. Another idea is that a child's preference can be taken into consideration. That's sometimes an issue, but not always. Children of a younger age are not going to be given that opportunity to make that decision. A child has to be of a certain maturity in order to make such an important decision before a judge would even ask that person to make such a decision. If you're thinking about getting divorced in Massachusetts, we have provided a checklist on the most important issues you should be thinking about before moving forward. Feel free to visit us at affordlaw.org/checklist to pick up your checklist so you have a better framework to decide whether you're going to get divorced, and if so, what you should be thinking about. At Afford Law, we're making justice affordable.